Hey, if you're about to use the Classcraft School Store, then you are about to revolutionize your PBIS store. It's going to allow your students to spend their hard-earned gold pieces from Classcraft on your items in your school store. Any adult on campus or remote can use any device that can connect to the internet to run and manage your school store easily. It's going to look a little different depending on the different roles that everyone has at school. So for the remainder of this video, we're going to show you what the school store looks like for administrators, faculty, and you wonderful staff members. We're going to start with the administrator walkthrough, so faculty and staff members, feel free to skip ahead and watch the part that pertains to you. School administrators and district administrators, you'll be able to select your school store underneath the school section of your dashboard. Start typing in a student's name and then select them from the list that populates. Now you can type in the name of the item that student is purchasing and the cost of the item in gold pieces, and click purchase to complete the transaction. Teachers, faculty members, you have two ways to access the school store. One, within any one of your classes, select a student, click the three dots drop down, and select use the school store for that student. Second way is to go to your profile at the top right, select school store, and now you can search for any student within your school roster. Click search, it brings up the students, select the student you'd like, type in the name of the item they want to purchase, and then type in the cost in gold pieces of that item. Click purchase to confirm the transaction, and the gold pieces have been subtracted from that student's account. Staff members, if you're a member of multiple schools, then select a school. Once you're inside the school, then you'll be able to see school store. Go ahead and select that. Now you can search by the student's name, or you can select from students who have previously made purchases with you. Enter the name of the item they want to purchase, then enter the cost of the item in gold pieces. Then click purchase to finish the transaction, and the gold pieces have been subtracted from that student's account. Thanks for watching. Let us know which items your students like to buy at your school store at Classcraft Game.